Hello, brothers, sisters. How you doing? This boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm somewhere in the central region, a very small town, and I just found a local business over here. What they do is they fry fish in large quantities, and they export them from here to Accra. So yeah, so I'm here, and I'd like to have a little talk with our mom. Yeah. Omi, Apome, what's your fraud?
Abiwode.
Abiwode. Fishy, like a business in the same way you are there now.
For you.
You be a Rubiana.
Kokure.
Offend and Kokure. I ain't your bane. Ah, let me know your bane.
A bank cassava.
But say be your number. Okay.
By Obimuso of a bank. By here, yes, I know, or ye a bank or a Kokure.
I which is to go more for the side of you. Okay. Wow. And if how long that made you mean? Actually. And
5 years.
5 years. Okay. Wow. It's a bit go to Namoche, like you go to Namoche, and much different. Ah, okay.
A bank of Bayato. Yato Tante Mille.
Okay.
Yato Webway. Nambia Yato.
Yes, to me fish, fried fish, yo. So this is the fish, the delicious thing. All the scale has been taken off, you can see. All the scale has been taken off, and she's doing the washing. It's most of the thing by one so much. Oh, okay.
So I say I know they both
direct. Okay. Wow, interesting. So this fish over here looks like herring, but it's not. They gave a different local name, which I don't even know the English name for that fish. And it just looks similar like herring, yeah, but it's not. So this is a local business, they fry in large quantities, and yeah. But I can't go to Samoton. I can't go to Ah, to put it. Okay. But I can't put down.
By one day, Wolfie Miamia.
It's a good family minutes. Abby, Anya. I cripsy, anyway. Wow. And it's most no wow, this is interesting. Yeah, so they had this over here. So all the oil will drip and to go inside the pan. Yeah, and the paper will also absorb some of the oil.
I'm going to show you. This is why I'm going to
na ibangro ajungo na fry top braga na temu use ajungo one pe
the fry top no kotin
bajungo no so make video ajungo when papa original one fresh from mu
na man
ba me shama
na say na obi mo keka so via pede ya hwehwe bi na ya de
when the first na that ajungo na wo de chonam so that's the remaining some of the remainings. And say you your if a bushing a
bottom ahoy na
I'm who be so okay and they know home okay
and are the bonamodo
but they use it they smoke some and they fry some, so this is the frying version of the fish, and over there they have the oven over there, the clay oven. That's for the smoking side of it. So as you can see, I'm in the midst of the forest or the village, typical village, and I always say village life is the best place to be. So the oil is coming up, and she's taking some from it. Everybody know because of the fresh fish you need to know. Yeah, I'm about to amazing, I'm more Jordan, sir. More Jordans. Obi pebia. Obi pebia otumba eh. What's my phone number in case Obi pebia, sir?
0556
0556
32
32
07
0556 32 0707. Man, the smoke is serious. Okay, so contact here if you want order. You know, if you want large quantity, like one fish in large quantity, you can call her and tell her that you saw the video on YouTube and you want to order some fish. Yeah, large quantity. When there's weddings, funeral and everything, she can do it. Yeah. Let's grow the business. This is a local business. Yeah. Let's support her and Arakodo. Go on. Yeah. So Arakodo, you know, tournament. You know, a tempo.
I'm a crazy.
My eyes in the anyway, it's interesting to your friends and experience or witness how they work and how they go about things, and it's really amazing and interesting. So the fish is ready. They're not ready today. Yeah. It's already a tobo. A tobo, and I'm going to also if I say.
When you're more,
okay, yeah, so as you can see, this one is done, and you need to trust it. Okay. Yeah, so to avoid the oil going inside the fire, this is how it's supposed to do. So the next 15-20 minutes, this will be okay, then we go. So this, the fish, yeah. I'll say you're here, baby, but I'm still doubting. Concrete. Wow. Man, it's nice. Nice. It's nice. Yeah, so contact, support the business, let them grow, make your order. Yeah, so it's a nice fish, and if you have the kenke, gari, eba, anything, like, you can even use this to make soup. Yeah? Light soup and all those stuffs. Stew and everything. Guy. Okay, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook. Cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shizzle and Nizzle. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified when new video drops. I'm out. 1.